So the other thing that I want to do is to share with you a certain voting pattern of India. So I looked at how India has been lately voting at the UN. So in the last 2 years, 2024 to 2026. So for example, on June 12th, on the Gaza ceasefire resolution, which demanded immediate, unconditional, and permanent ceasefire and humanitarian access in Gaza. If you look at how India voted, it abstained. Whereas if you look at Brazil, China, and the entire global south, a vast majority of them voted for it. So here you can see Indian government thinks this is multi-alignment, but it is not taking a principled position. A country that does not take a principled position in alignment with the values of the United Nations Charter, and then aspires to become a permanent member, can we trust India to be a guardian of UN values is the question that comes to mind. And then again in October 27, September 18, June 12th onwards, repeated Gaza-related resolutions, India voted each time as abstain, whereas the rest of the global south, whether it's Brazil or China, again, a majority of countries from the south voted in favor of that resolution. So consistently India, which means that if India became a permanent member then of the UN Security Council with a veto power, then Israel probably will have two veto powers in the UN Security Council, one America's and the other India's. And someone needs to write an article with that headline, actually, that if India becomes a permanent member of the UN Security Council, it would mean that Israel will have two votes in the UN